Go, baby, go, go!
Eddie is about the Bucks. That's how I am about these Panthers.
Okay, I see you. I see you.
Get the ball! Get the ball!
She thought it was safe.
Y'all throw that up. Get the ball back.
That's the freshman, our team we've been following. It's almost competition season. Them ladies been working hard. So it's almost time for the show. Stay locked in. Hit that subscribe button. Turn your notifications on. Now they got the football team. Progress Village Panthers 8U. Up 21-0 right now at halftime against the Countryside Cougars. 21-0 at halftime. This is the homecoming. Shout out to all the parents, all the family and friends. All right, Kai got homecoming queen. All right, girl. Congratulations, Kai. Homecoming queen. The team mom, the best team mom in the game. Shout out to her.